Maybe it was a radiator ticking, or the hum of a fridge cycling, or your own heartbeat skipping something it didn't want to carry. But for a second, everything else fell away, and there it was, a pulse not asking to be understood, just not wanting to be alone. You didn't Shazam it, you didn't post it, you just stood there, held still like you might scare it off. Things that make noise when you're alone. Because the sun wasn't looking for you, but it found you anyway. And now it sticks in the static between things, like when you think too long about someone you haven't met yet. You don't know if anyone else heard it. You kinda hope they didn't.